Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover and today's nail art tutorial is a special one for Suga's birthday. His birthday is on the 9th, which is this coming Saturday, and so I've created 5 designs across my 5 fingernails that represent him, either based on his actions in 2018 or just things that we've known that he's liked for a long time. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with this tutorial. First, apply base coats all of your fingernails. Then apply a light purple to your index fingernail, a light blue to your middle fingernail, a cool gray for your ring fingernail, a slightly warmer gray for your pinky nail, and a dark blue for your thumbnail. We'll start with the index fingernail, and the design on the index fingernail is Kumamon on a rock. So I'm starting with the cool gray that we use for the ring fingernail for the rock. So that's going to be an oblong shape at the tip of the nail, and you just want to fill in that shape. Then after this is dry, I'm just going to be drawing Kumamon on top. So I'm going to start with his paws because he's kind of like lying down on the rock. So from the 2 blobs that you just drew on, you're just going to kind of connect them in a really round arc and then just fill that area in between in with more black polish. Then you're also going to add the ears in a similar fashion. Dot the centers of the ears with white polish and start adding the eyes and the nose and mouth area with white polish as well. Next, draw on 2 big circles to the right and left for the rosy cheeks. Start drawing the nose and the mouth with black polish on top of the center white oval. Dot the centers of the white circles on top with black and add red to the circles on the left and right for the cheeks. Going back to the rock, we're going to make it more realistic by dry brushing on some different shades of gray, including lighter ones as well as darker ones. And you can also go in with black polish and just draw some very fine lines in obscure shapes. Now take your darkest gray and add shadows beneath the belly. For the middle fingernail, I'm going to be drawing Suga's gang sign from the 2018 BBMAs. Now, us ARMY know that it's not actually a gang sign, but it has a pretty cool meaning. And if you want to learn more about how I came up with these designs, you can always check my ARMY Amino account. I always post super long blog posts on like how I came up with the design and the whole execution process. But basically, we're going in with a base flesh tone. I always use the same color, the same polish. You can always check the description box for the products that I use. And so I'm doing both sides because I think it really shows how like cool this hand gesture is. And then I'm also kind of like going in between where like the folds of the skin are with a tan color, and then I also go in with like beiges and browns, and, you know, mix in white accordingly to get lighter shades for highlights, and also using like darker colors for the shadows. There isn't really a way to explain how to shade hands, so I will be leaving all those reference images on my other social media, including Instagram and ARMY Amino. Just go in with a very light beige for the fingernails and then a dark brown for the knuckles. The ring fingernail design is of Min Yoongi, who is Suga's toy poodle or most prized companion, and he is super adorable. So I'm just going to start with, I guess, his nose or muzzle area and just move on to the ears and the top of his head, and then for his body, just like a rounded rectangle, I suppose. And I'm also just going on top with lighter tans and beiges to kind of mix it in, and also browns just for the shadows. And you know, the fur is like a mixture of various shades of browns, tans, and beiges, so definitely have fun with this. It should be quite messy, and you're just kind of like dry brushing colors on so you get a good mixture and an organic feel in the fur. Also, where the eyes go, you want to add like brown for shadowing for like the arc, and then add kind of like a super light beige for where the eyes will go for a highlight so that the black eyes really pop off. Then I'm also just going to be adding black dots for the eyes, and then I am adding the nose. Now, the pinky nail design is based off of that adorable patch on one of the gray beanies that Yoongi wore at the airport maybe a year ago. I don't remember off the top of my head, but it was such a cute little face, and I knew I had to recreate it because it's so indifferent. It just screams Yoongi, and I mean, I can totally relate. So you're just gonna start with that cool gray that we use for the base for the ring fingernail to just draw a small little square in the middle of your pinky fingernail, and I'm going in with a lighter gray to sort of do an inner outline. Next, I'm just taking my paintbrush again, but with black polish to dot on some small dots for the eyes and then a thick line for the mouth. For the thumb, we'll start by applying latex barrier around our skin, let that dry, and move on to the gradient. For the gradient, I'm going to be doing my usual radial gradient, which starts with the dark blue on the outside and the white in the center, and then go ahead and sponge that onto your nail until you get the gradation and opacity that you like. Peel off the latex barrier and apply a generous layer of top coat to smooth out the gradient so you can move on to the next step. So on top of the gradient, I'll be drawing Yoongi during the Seesaw choreo, the part where his freed arm that's not holding onto the mic goes up and down to mimic the motion of a seesaw. And that is just so adorable and, you know, like the highlight of the choreo. So I definitely had to include that in this look. Also, Seesaw is just, you know, a very different song from Suga, where he does a lot of singing and, you know, lots of harmonies with Adora in the background. You know, of course, I just love that song, and yeah, I had to include it because it's a solo. So I am not really going to explain how I paint this per se, just because everyone has a different way of painting, and you guys can just watch me do that now. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat over the designs. Make sure you float the brush across the top and also to wrap the tip for longer wear time and so as not to smear the design. So that's it for the MinSUGADay nail art tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful in any way, shape, or form. If it did, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, happy 27th birthday to the man Min Yoongi himself, and I hope you guys have a wonderful time celebrating it. And that's it for this video. Bye everyone!